નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear students, today let us start trigonometry chapter 13, exercise 8.4, question number 5. Cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to cot theta plus cosec theta. So here first of all we will start with the left hand side. So left hand side is here cos theta minus sin theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. As our requirement is cot theta plus cosec theta. So cot theta means cos theta by sin theta and cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. It means denominator is sin theta. So dividing both numerator and denominator by sin theta, we get here cos theta divided by sin theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta plus 1 divided by sin theta. In the denominator, cos theta divided by sin theta plus sin theta divided by sin theta minus 1 upon sin theta. And so we will get here numerator cos upon sin, that is cot theta minus 1 plus cosec theta. So we got in terms of cot and cosec. Denominator again here is cot theta plus 1 minus cosec theta. Now arranging this here, left hand side cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 divided by here cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. So now to solve this, we want this part cot theta plus cosec theta. So now we will multiply both numerator and denominator by cot theta plus cosec theta. So here cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 multiplied by cot theta plus cosec theta. In denominator also, when we multiply numerator by cot theta plus cosec theta, denominator also we have to multiply by the same value minus here cosec theta plus 1. So here multiplying by the same value, here cot theta plus cosec theta, we will get now here numerator will keep as it is cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1, and our requirement is cot theta plus cosec theta. This is our requirement. If we are able to convert denominator in this form, then we will get only required answer right hand side. So first of all we will go for multiplication. Here cot theta minus cosec theta multiplied by cot theta plus cosec theta, and so we will get cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Okay, this multiplied by this again plus 1 multiplied by this, so that is cot theta plus cosec theta. So now we will get here numerator as it is cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 multiplied by cot theta plus cosec theta. Now denominator cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to negative 1, as we have the identity cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So here cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to negative 1. So that is negative 1 plus cot theta plus cosec square theta, cosec theta. So now you see again arranging this in the denominator, we will get cot theta, then cosec theta minus 1. So we can cut this and we will get the final result. So let us see here numerator is cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 multiplied by cot theta plus cosec theta, and the denominator is here. You can see cot theta plus cosec theta and then minus 1. So now we cut this and we get here cot theta plus cosec theta, and this is right hand side. Thus it is proved. Now let us go for next question number 6. Here, sixth question is square root of 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta, and our requirement is to prove that is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So now we'll go for left hand side. Here is square root of 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta, that is equal to, here we want to sec theta and tan theta. First of all, here as it is 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta, so multiplying both numerator and denominator here with the 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta multiplied by 1 plus sin theta. Here denominator is 1 minus sin theta multiplied by 1 plus sin theta. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by the same value 1 plus sin theta. Here denominator for these two is cos theta. So we will try to get cos theta in the denominator. So let us see, numerator here it is 1 plus sin theta whole square, and the denominator is 1 minus sin square theta, identity a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square identity, and numerator is whole square. So now here you will get 1 plus sin theta whole square, and the denominator is cos square theta, and that is square root of. So square root of this is 1 plus sin theta whole square and 1 minus sin square theta, that means cos square theta. So now both taking square root here, we will get 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So now we will go for next step, that is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now our requirement is sec theta plus tan theta. So what we will do here, that is 1 upon, here we will get 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. So now what is this? We can go for the next step. You can see the next step is 1 upon cos theta, and that is equal to sec theta plus sin theta upon cos theta, and that is equal to tan theta, and this is right hand side. So now next question number 7. So now the question number 7 is very simple. Sin theta, first of all here sin theta minus 2 times sin cube theta divided by 2 times cos cube theta minus cos theta, and that is equal to, we have to prove is here tan theta. So left hand side is equal to sin theta minus 2 times sin cube theta whole divided by 2 times cos cube theta minus cos theta. So taking sin common in the numerator, here sin theta common, so we get 1 minus 2 times sin square theta, and same way here denominator we can take cos theta common. cos theta common. So we will get here 2 times cos square theta minus 1. So now you see sin upon cos means we will get tan theta. Our requirement is this. That means this part and this part must be made equal. So let us see. Is equal to here sin theta as it is multiplied by here 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 means we know sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we will go for sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 times sin square theta. This is the numerator. Denominator here now cos theta in bracket. This is 2 times cos square theta, and here minus we have 1. 1 means here we can say again identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. As it is minus 1, here we will get minus sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. So now next step here we will get that is equal to, you see, sin theta upon cos theta. So here sin theta in bracket, here it is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. So we will get here cos square theta and here sin minus 2, that is minus sin square theta. Same way here denominator is cos theta in bracket, here 2 times cos square theta minus cos square theta. That means cos square theta 1 time, then here minus sin square theta. So here numerator and denominator this part equal, and so we will get sin theta upon cos theta, and that is equal to tan theta, and that is equal to right hand side. Thus it is proved. Today question number 8, sin theta plus cos square cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square is equal to 7 times 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. So now to solve this, let us go for the left hand side. Here is sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square. So now using identity a plus b whole square, sin square theta plus cosec square theta plus 2 times sin theta into cosec theta plus here cos theta whole square, cos square theta, cos theta plus sec theta whole square, again same identity a plus b whole square. So we get cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 times cos theta into sec theta. Now that is equal to arranging them. Here sin theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. At the same time, here cos square theta plus cosec square theta plus sec square theta. So here sec square theta and cosec square theta plus here 2 times sin theta into cos theta. So sin theta into cosec theta, sin theta into cosec theta, that is equal to 1, because sin and cosec are reciprocal. Same way sec and cosec, cos and sec are reciprocal. So cos theta into sec theta also 1. So 2 into 1, and here also 2 into 1. So it is 2 plus 2. 2 into 1 and 2 into 1. So now what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus here sec square theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and cosec square theta, that is also equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So now 1 plus 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta, and thus we can write 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta, that is our right hand side. Thus it is proved. Same way, next question, 9th question, let us take. Here now 9th sum is cosec theta minus sin theta multiplied by sec theta minus cos theta. That is equal to, we have to prove here 1 upon and that is equal to 1 upon tan theta plus cot theta. So now we shall start with the left hand side. Here we have to go for the tan theta plus cot theta. In terms of tan and cot we want. So let us proceed. First of all, left hand side cosec theta minus sin theta multiplied by sec theta minus cos theta. So first of all, here it can be converted in terms of sin. This also can be converted in terms of sin. So let us proceed. Here cosec theta minus sin theta multiplied by sec theta minus cos theta. So here in terms of sin, it is 1 upon sin theta minus sin theta multiplied by, here it is in terms of cos theta, 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Now taking LCM, here we will get 1 minus sin square theta whole divided by sin theta. Similarly, here we will get 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. So now this can be written as, you see, numerator is 1 minus sin square theta, that is called cos square theta. That is called cos square theta multiplied by, here 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now you see, this is equal to, here cos square theta upon cos theta, sin square theta upon sin theta. So finally we can write sin theta multiplied by cos theta. So now our requirement is now 1 upon tan theta plus cot theta. So we can write here, what is sin theta into cos theta? Sin theta into cos theta divided by 1. So now 1 means what? In terms of here using trigonometric identity, sin theta into cos theta divided by sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now making use of this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, now on dividing them, we have to divide because we want in terms of tan theta and cot theta, and for that we have to divide by sin and cos. Then only we can get sin and cos in terms of tan and cot. So let us move for that part here. So now we can write sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Similarly, denominator also sin theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, or we can say taking numerator in the denominator. So here we will get 1 divided by, here sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So now we will get here 1 divided by, as we were in need of 1 in the numerator. So here also we have to divide both numerator and denominator by the numerator, so that we will get in the numerator 1. Now sin square upon this sin cot, so we will get sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, here cos square theta and cos theta, so cos cot, so we will get here cos theta upon sin theta, and that is equal to 1 divided by, here we will get our requirement sin upon cos, that is tan theta, plus cos upon sin, that is cot theta, and that is right hand side. So here this part is proved. Next, the last question of this chapter, 10th question. Here the question is 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta the whole square divided by, or we can say here 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus cot theta the whole square. That is equal to, we have to prove tan square theta. tan square theta. So first of all, we'll go for this left hand side. Here 1 plus tan square theta divided by 1 plus cot square theta. Now let us prove this is equal to tan square theta. Then we'll go for this part also equal to tan square theta. Here we are proving this part. Here 1 plus tan square theta upon 1 plus cot square theta. So let us go for this part here. So for this, what shall we do? We have to convert in terms of cot in terms of tan. So for this is equal to 1 plus tan square theta divided by, here denominator is cot square theta. So cot square theta means here 1 upon tan square theta, reciprocal of tan. So here 1 upon tan square theta. And so we can simplify here 1 plus tan square theta divided by, taking LCM here, will get tan square theta plus 1 multiplied by whole divided by tan square theta. So now this can be written as here, that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta in the numerator, 1 plus tan square theta in the numerator, divided by, here the denominator is tan square theta plus 1, that is 1 plus tan square theta, and denominator of this is multiplied by tan square theta, and that is equal to tan square theta, that is right hand side. So here this part cut, only tan square theta left. Similarly for this, again second part of this, here it is the first part. Now here we are going for second part, and left hand side here is 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus cot theta whole square. So now using identity, 1 plus, again using the same thing, we need tan square theta, we need 10 in terms of 10. So what should be converted in terms of 10? So here 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus 1 by tan theta, reciprocal. So we got in terms of 10 whole square. Now simplifying this, we'll get 1 plus tan theta divided by, taking LCM here. Here second part is second part of the question is here minus. So taking this minus, here we'll get here 1 minus tan theta upon tan theta minus 1 divided by tan theta, this is whole square. So that is equal to, we see 1 minus tan theta, and here also. So we will say 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta divided by, here negative common, and we will get 1 minus tan theta divided by tan theta, and this is whole square. So that is equal to, we can say 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta, and this negative tan theta taken into numerator, negative tan theta, and this is whole square. So this part cut, here we have taken negative common. So negative tan theta, or 1 minus tan theta divided by negative tan theta. So here we got negative tan theta in the numerator, and this part common. So we will get negative tan theta whole square, and that is equal to tan theta whole square positive. That is, we say tan square theta, and that is right hand side. So here this part is over.
Thank you for joining us.